Here we will talk about the image proportions. So you have three options: whether extend your photo space, crop it, or change the size. We will start by the crop. Using our selection tool, we'll select here. Then we will crop and eliminate these other parts of the image. We'll use image crop. Here we go. To undo this action, Control Z, or use Window, History. Here we go. Control Z. Here we go. You can also crop by using the crop tool here. Crop tool. You change the selection. Here we go. Then you validate. Here we go. To change the size of the image, we'll undo the action. Here we go. Deselect, Control V. To change the image size, we go image size. Here you have the image size, and you have this link here. It allows it to respect the ratio. Here you go. You can undo it, or you can keep it. You can change the image size. Let's see, we want 200 pixels. Resolution, let's say 72. Okay. Here we go. Undo. Let's say you want to extend your working space. We go to image, canvas size, and you select where the anchor has to be. Let's say the center. We have this measurement of the image. We can increase it by typing. Here you go. Remark the difference. Okay. Here you go. This additional space. Control Z, undo. Or you can, of course, canvas size, use the relative mode. Here, add, let's say 50. Okay, here you go. Control Z. If we change our anchor, see the difference. 15, 50. Here you go. You can, of course, do the same thing using the crop tool by dragging here. Here you go. Okay.